here on the shore where the sun paints the sky with colors that dance like the soft waves nearby. I laugh and I play in the water. Have you walked the boardwalk? Have you walked the boardwalk? Kaleidoscope colors fly with seas that collide. The rhythm of the waves, the sailors lullaby. With footsteps on the shore, we find a place to stay. Have you walked the boardwalk? Crumbs in the Philippines, skies so wide and free, laughing with the ocean breeze. Our spirits feel the tease, every step a memory of sunsets and the sea. Crumbs in the Philippines, when dreams have sleep. Feel the purpose on earth beneath the whole palms. Feel the purpose on earth, each own is calm. Feel my skull as the waves roll in. Picture it, your troubles thin. The colors inside the soul, you get to weave. Feel the purpose on earth, inside you believe. Crumbs in the Philippines, spirit plant. Where's the cow on me? What's being too smoothly? Lights get cows, like here are them to these. Every step, memory, wings feel the crumbs in the Philippines, where John has been free. Silhouettes on the horizon, where past meets today. Hand in hand we wander, this place we're meant to stay. The stars will guide us all, when night whispers hello. In the heart of these shores, our love forever grows. Crumbs in the Philippines, skies so wide and free, laughing with the ocean breeze. Our spirits feel the tease, every step a memory of sunsets and the sea. Crumbs in the Philippines, where trees dance sleepily. Sun setting over Mindoro sand, crumbs in the Philippines, hand in hand. Waves crashing, painting secrets in the breeze. Steps on the boardwalk, hearts at ease. Warm laughter echoes in this summer drift. In between moments, love's our only gift. Walk with me by the sea, dreams as bright as can be. Let's get lost in sunset sound, love's a rhythm all year round. Moon rises down Mindoro sky, stars twinkling as we stroll side by side. Coconut palms swaying shadows dance, our story written under this night romance. Whispers of the ocean, here in this moment everything feels complete. Walk with me by the sea, dreams as bright as can be. Let's get lost in sunset sound, love's a rhythm all year round. Every step a memory we keep, promises made by whispers deep. Together we'll embrace the morning light, under the glow our hearts take flight. Walk with me by the sea, dreams as bright as can be. Let's get lost in sunset sound, love's a rhythm all year round.
Hello everyone and welcome back. It's our final day of vacation here in Puerto Galera on the beautiful island of Mindoro. We're going to take a stroll along the white beach seashore and show you guys some of the sights along the way. Apologize for the soundtrack. There's music that plays there 24/7. no way to use any background noise. Every once in a while, we're able to let you hear some of the natural sounds, but for the most part, it's a lot of copyrighted material playing in the background, which is a big no-no on YouTube. But you can see this time of the year is great for taking a vacation here on Mindoro. There's not a lot of people, but it's still nice and hot. The ocean is very clear. The water was a little bit warm, which it felt great. But as you notice on the other day, we went to the cold spring to go swimming on the hottest day. This is a great place to go shopping and just enjoy the vibe of the beachfront. It definitely has a resort town feel. And there's my little drone getting ready to take off, and we'll have some drone footage coming up here very shortly. But we're going to play some music to finish out this video. These are all homemade tunes that I created using the Udio app on the laptop here. So it's all original music. I know a lot of people enjoy that. It's kind of cool that it comes up with lyrics that are pertinent to our channel and what the video is about. And we've had a couple of people comment about how cheesy the songs are, but hey, that there's no chance of getting copyrighted whenever you play an original song on here. So anyway, guys, just enjoy the rest of the video and know that we appreciate you all so very, very much. We've gone over 4,000 subscribers, all marching on towards 5,000. Just can't take my hat off to you enough to let you know how much we really appreciate that from the bottom of our hearts. Anyway, guys, enjoy this beautiful scenery, and we'll catch you at the next video. Take care, stay happy, stay healthy, be kind to one another, and just enjoy life.
Waves crashing by my side, oh yeah. Palms swaying in time, crumbs walking by the tide. In Puerto Galera sunlight, sand beneath our feet feeling right. The horizon stretches wide, what a view. Walking, dreaming on this shore. Never knew a place like this before. Lost in echoes of the waves, adored. Crumbs in the Philippines, forevermore. Stars come out at night, moonlit past, serene and bright. A moment that feels so right. The crumbs' laughter in the breeze, the ocean whispers a sweet reprise. It's a dream, and we're alive. Walking, dreaming on this shore. Never knew a place like this before. Lost in echoes of the waves, adored. Crumbs in the Philippines, forevermore. Every sunrise tells a story, with the ocean in its glory. Moments will hold till the end. Crumbs, my dear friend. Walking, dreaming on this shore. Never knew a place like this before. Lost in echoes of the waves, adored. Crumbs in the Philippines, forevermore.
Crohn's a soul just wandering by the ocean. He watched the tides rolling in. With every wave he found little motion, guided by a gentle wind. He felt the whisper of the palm trees sway. Walk on, walk on, walk along that sandy shore. Walk on, walk walk on. Find what you're searching for. Maria, with a smile so wide and bright, she danced with the oceans, skirt the waves in the soft blue light, leaving footprints on the shore. Every step she took, so right in the cool night air. She walk on, walk on, walk along that sandy shore. Walk on, walk on, find what you're searching for. Seaside any day, finding peace with the sea breeze. With each step they find their way in this paradise of endless seas. Walk on, walk on, walk along that sandy shore. Walk on, walk on, find what you're searching for.
Walking along where the seas kiss the land, the shores of Puerto Galera holding her hand. Salt in the breeze and sun in the eyes, the world disappears in our own paradise. A memory made in every step we take, in this bittersweet love along the shoreline break. I'll stop the world to be here with you, crumbs in the Philippine sky so blue. Hold on to me, this love feels so true. I'll stop the world to melt with you. Whistles of waves dance around our feet, our moments of timeless in this ocean retreat. The sun slowly dips, painting the sky with colors of love as the day bids goodbye. Every grain of sand holds a story told, in this melancholic bliss our love unfolds. I'll stop the world to be here with you, drums in the Philippine sky so blue. Hold on to me, this love feels so true. I'll stop the world to melt with you. Oh, how the time fades away, in this love we sway, on this beautiful bay. Don't come out away, crime will always be, for we found the pain. Forever we'll play. I'll stop the world to be here with you, crumbs in the Philippine sky so blue. Hold on to me, this love feels so true. I'll stop the world to melt with you. I'll stop the world to melt with you.
Was a wanderer, found hope on the shoreline, but he knew it couldn't fade.
Run after his death back under the shadows.
For some iron escapade. Walk on, walk on, walk on the sandy shores tonight. Walk on, walk on, walk on the sandy shores tonight. Golden sun is setting, casting his long shadow, but he feels the gentle pull. All the waves are calling, secrets in the singing, and the sea is partial love. Walk on, walk on, walk on the sandy shores tonight. Walk on, walk on, walk on the sandy shores tonight. Feel the breeze, the ears, the ocean song. sandy shores tonight. Walk on, walk on, walk on the sandy shores tonight. My bags at the streets of LA, trading sunsets for the tropics island way, but it's alright. Now we're feeling so high, but it's alright. Under the beautiful sky, expanding paradise, feels like a dream so nice. American heart, no lies. Won't you stay here tonight? My chin with a beauty so rare. She's my star in this tropical air, but it's alright. Now dancing in the sand, but it's alright. Just hold my hand with my love. Expanding paradise, feels like a dream so nice. American heart, no lies. Won't you stay here tonight?
I was walking through the city underneath the warm tropical sun, searching for a new beginning, ready for some fun. Found a tiny shop down the alley with the old barber's home. A two with melodious charm, this exchange starts with you, new cut on you. In the Philippines we smile with every snip their style. In the city of dreams,
but 'cause we're the crumbs and you'll love us. Hit the like and subscribe now. Show some love, don't delay. Hit the like and subscribe now. Join the fun every day. Join the fun.